Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit sent in by Tim, who lives in Saline, Michigan. Thank you so much, Tim, for your business all the way from Michigan. This is a Panasonic. I believe it's an RS-804. Just give this a quick test here. Nope, RS-803. I really like the looks of this unit. It's simple yet kind of vibrant. It's got, I like the chrome, the black on chrome look. Really cool looking machine. And we're just going to pop in the tape here and make sure everything works before we send it back to the customer. So we got some Neil Sedaka as usual. Take a few seconds for the music to come up. Okay, switch tracks a bunch of times. It might be a little loud. And you can see the output levels here. Okay, blank spot right there. Okay, I think we're going to be coming here on an automatic track change. Nope, I guess not. Okay, let's make sure the auto stop works. Gonna stop at the end of channel 4. Okay, and there's our auto stop in action. Okay, now this machine has fast forward, and as I've mentioned in other videos, I do not recommend ever using fast forward on a 40 to 50 year old 8-track cartridge tape. That is almost certainly going to cause the tape to jam, and you're going to open the thing up and it's going to be all twisted and tangled, and it's going to be overwhelming to try to fix that thing. I just don't recommend using fast forward. It causes the tape to pack unevenly on the hub, and if you've got too much slack between where the tape goes back in and the outside of the reel, if there's any slack there, then pushing fast forward, it's going to make that capstan rotate really fast. It's going to turn the tape real fast. When you suddenly stop it, the momentum of the hub is going to keep feeding that tape through, but it's not being taken up but it's not being drawn back into the tape by the capstan. So that's where you're going to get a jam if you use fast forward. I don't recommend ever even touching the fast forward button on an 8-track. When the tapes were new, yeah, that was fine, but with tapes being 40, 50 years old, they've lost some of their graphite coating. They just have to be packed evenly. There has to be the right tension between here and there, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'll stop. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you know who I am, and you probably know how to reach me by now. So, thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you all next time.